This we are looking how to sew this collar zipper on shirts. Okay, you start by cutting your collar, your normal shirt collar. Okay, I don't know whether you're seeing it. You measure your shirts. Okay, so let's go to the machine. You sew it this way. This is the upper part of it. You sew it. Okay, see, you fold like 1/4 inch. Okay, then you fold it this way and you sew. So you sew it round. Okay, okay, so you turn it and iron it. Okay, turn it this way. Okay, take it easy. After turning it, you iron it. Give it a good press. So then you can take it to your shirts. As you can see. Okay. So as you can see, it has been well pressed. Okay. So you fold it into two and you notch. Then find the center of your shirts. Okay. You notch two. So you pipe it round. So you start with this one that you do not fold. As you can see, this one has been folded inside. Okay. So you start with this and top stitch and we'll come back. So take it gentle. Okay. After you have fixed it, take it gentle and sew. So after sewing, this is the back. Okay, so this place that you have already folded, you just take it gentle and top stitch. Okay, fold it this one, top stitch. Okay, so we are now top stitching. Okay, you take it gently. Okay, gently you top stitch it round. As you can see, I don't know whether the camera is showing it. Okay, just relax. Okay, don't rush your work so that it will be very neat. So as you can see, see how neat it is. Very neat. So just zip it up. Let's see how the final look of it is. Okay, so this is what we achieved. You see inside, very neat. Okay, so if you find this helpful, please try to share, comment, try your own, and let me see in the comment section. Bye. As you can see, this is the final look. So bye, try your own and let me see.